is the moment where you're like, holy cow, I'm in space? When does that happen?
That moment is very clear. It's exactly when your third stage cuts off. So that's 9.5 minutes.
In my computer applications class, we had an assignment to create a space station that was sustainable for life.
In the quest to fly a manned mission to Mars, 2 astronauts are providing NASA with a one-of-a-kind experiment.
Mark and Scott Kelly are astronauts, and they're twins. And Scott is going up into space for a year, and they're going to see how his DNA is after the year, and they're going to compare him to his brother and see how space affects his genes.
We created our own model of the International Space Station, and we used the videos that the website NASA created for us to watch to implement onto our model.
We made SketchUp models, and we had to take into account the fact that there's no gravity in space and like what they need to do in space and how they can live compared to how they live on Earth.
This is my model of the International Space Station. To start off, we'll be looking at the sleeping quarters, and since in space there's no gravity, we had to create special sleeping quarters for the crew members to sleep in that allows the crew members to be strapped in.
And when they need to go on spacewalks, they use these spacesuits, and they can open the windows and go out and unlock them.
It's the bathroom, and they have to create special supplies for the people to take showers, because in space you're not allowed to have water because it floats around in bubbles. So you have to have special bathroom supplies that are like a washcloth with dry soap that you can wash yourself with instead of having water in a whole shower.
Over here is the communications section, and here are cameras so they can record different parts of the space station to send back to Earth.
The exercise quarters, where the people have to do their exercise, because in space you float around, so you don't get much muscle workout, so you have to have special machines so that you can work out your muscles and they don't get deteriorated.
And over here is the experiment part, where they can experiment and see the effects of spaceflight on humans and their cardiovascular system.
And here's where they eat their food. It's like vacuum sealed packets so that the food stays fresh in space, because they need to have special food.
Soon the whole world will be looking up as Scott Kelly begins his year-long journey in space.